To stop an A.O. Smith hybrid water heater fan from running constantly, clean the ambient air thermistor and evaporator coil sensor, or replace them if faulty. These sensors tell the heat pump when to draw in room air, and dirty or faulty sensors force the fan into a continuous fail-safe mode. Hybrid water heaters pull heat from the surrounding air using a fan located near the top filter. When the ambient air thermistor gets covered in heavy dust or lint, it miscalculates the room temperature. The control board thinks the air is colder than it actually is, causing the fan to run non-stop to extract enough heat for the water. The immediate fix is to shut off the breaker to the water heater, remove the washable air filter, and carefully vacuum the area. Directly behind the filter sits the evaporator coil and its dedicated temperature sensor. If this sensor fails or gets insulated by debris, the system runs the fan continuously to prevent the coil from freezing over. Use a soft bristle brush or a foaming coil cleaner to remove any buildup on the delicate fins and the sensor probe. A clean coil allows proper airflow and accurate temperature readings, which usually resets the fan cycle. If the fan continues to run after a thorough cleaning, the thermistor or coil sensor has likely shorted out. You can verify this by unplugging the sensor harness from the control board and testing the pins with a multimeter set to ohms. A reading of 0 or infinity means the sensor is completely dead. Replacing the faulty sensor restores normal heat pump operation and brings the fan back to its normal intermittent cycle.